Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to be making this bag and we're going to be sewing the side with our
manual machine.
so yeah. Now let's get started. The measurement of the bag is being shown and seen on your screen. The wideness of the bag is 7 inches, while the length is 5 inches. So the flap is 2.5 and the up of the bag is 1.5. Then for the down cuff of the bag, I've actually made a video on that, on how to get the down cuff and the bottom of the bag as well. So you can just find that video on my page and watch it on how to get that. Then after that, you're going to sketch that on your leather and you're going to gum it. Now I've actually had gum on mine, and for that small design, so it's just something you're going to like sketch with your hand. I didn't want the bag to be plain because I'm making use of two leather, a shine leather and a dull leather, so I wanted it to have like a design, like a small design. So after you've sketched it out, you're going to cut it out on the marco and you're going to add it to your carry board before you gum the whole bag together. And I give it a little bit of stitches, and I've added and I've got my whole, what's it called, the bottom of the bag. So just look at it, just look at the video very well. So for sewing of the bottom to the back, like I said, if you've watched some of my video before, I've actually explained this. So you're just going to be joining the bottom to your body by maybe 0.2 or 0.3, not up to half an inch. And after that, you can just mark it out in your leather and you're going to place your bottom on it exactly like that, and you're going to sew it. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please kindly like, comment and subscribe. And to my existing subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So I hope and I pray you find this video interesting. And yeah, so after that, I'm done with my sewing. So I'm going to apply my gum and I'm going to be folding the whole bag in. No, I've added my gum, so I've folded the remaining leather in, and after that, I want to work on the handle of the bag. So the measurement I'll be using is a 6 inches by 1 inches, and after that, I'm going to locate the middle of that, and I'm going to take a 0.5 inches, half an inch at both sides, and I'm going to make use of my ruler to connect that. So I'm just going to, like, I don't want the edges to be sharp, so I'm going to be giving it a little bit of cuff, just a little bit cuff at the down part. So guys, please subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. So I've actually cutted my house. I'm sorry, I lost some clips, and after you've actually cut out your pattern, you're going to cut it out on the marco. And I did mine, and I've actually wrapped it. I cut the marco twice and I joined it together and sew it to the body of the bag. Just leave 0.5. Now for the gusset of the bag, the measurement of our bottom is 2, so definitely you're going to be adding half and 1 inches to that to make it 3. And for the height of the bag is 5, you're going to add half an inch to that to get 5.5. so that is how I got my gusset. And this is the inner leather of the bag. I cut out the 3 inches and I fixed my magnet at 0.7, I think 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch up and down, and you're going to fix your magnet. So after that, I'm going to be joining the inner flap and the lining together, and I've done that. So we are going to be adding a gum to that, and we are going to be closing it. So guys, yeah, we are done with that. So after that, we are going to be sewing the gusset side of the bag. Now let me tell you a secret about that. There's no magic or anything. So if you want to sew your gusset, please sew the down part like sew the down part first. After sewing the down part, that will give you the access to sew the remaining part of the bag. As you can see, I'm sewing the down part of that side, so just place it at the bottom side and sew it. So after that, you're going to sew it all around. So I didn't even know my machine was not capturing, my camera was not capturing that, but I've actually the second one. So just watch as I do that. It's just like a, what's it called, like a there is this, I don't know how to put it, there is a simplest way you can make use, you can make use of your blackhead machine to sew the gusset of the bag. And it's kind of stressful and hard though, but you can still manage. So if you don't have an industrial machine, you can still manage. So you just make sure you apply. So apply oil, don't be stingy with your oil. Apply oil and it will sew very well. Nothing like my machine you cannot know. Once your machine is sewing leather, trust me, you just need to like apply a little bit of tactics. So yeah, there is no big deal, because my machine did not used to sew the gusset of the bag, and I didn't take it to any engineer for any upgrade because I've done my part and the machine is still not working. So then I discovered that, okay, then I discovered this particular method, and since then I've been using it. So make sure you sew the bottom, like the down part of that gusset to the bottom, like I've shown earlier. So it will give you the access to sew the bottom to the bag, and just like that. So you can actually add a glue. Yeah, for me, I didn't add any glue, but you can add a glue just to hold it down. So that will give you the access to sew it. And guys, we are done with our bag. So isn't it cute? Yeah. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, comment, like, please give a video a thumbs up. And you guys are so amazing. I couldn't believe it. The subscribers is almost up to 200. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking, for commenting. God bless you. Thank you, and I love you guys so much. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.